Hey, hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel and welcome to our YouTube brand new video. Okay, I'm going to talking about how to earn money to online. You can see has playing your short. Join now and earn up to $220 and per 10,000 views. You can imagine 10,000 views. You can get $220. Wow, very nice and very interesting part. So uh, you can see a full video and you learn step by step, and I'm talking to step by step and you learning step by step. So let's go. uh, um I provide a link the comment description box and pin comment. Just click and go website, and you can see the interface uh, using referral link. Just because of you get $1 bonus. Yes, $1 bonus freely, and you can payment, you can get a payment only $15. Just imagine only $15 to withdraw anytime. Just need $5, and you have using referral link and you can get freely $1. So let's go and watching this video and full video watching, right? Okay, first of all, click my description box, and just click Shirley Sharon.me.io website and to visit this website, and you can see the interface and just click registration register button, and you can see the interface using username, email, password, and I'm not better about just registration, but I am using to with Google account. I'm signing to Google account. Okay, I'm select my account, Google account, and you can see the interface and available balance $1. I get $1 balance for referral link. Okay, well, you can see the dashboard and how to earn money using link. Just click a new short link, and the search box just BD. Okay, just click and give the link, the space link, and not add. Just shorten, click shorten, and you can get a short link. Just copy and paste, and you can see the interface and just click to continue. I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot. Just click and bicycle. Next, motorcycle. Capture complete. Just, and I'm not a robot. Just click here to continue. Complete your work and just wait, and what, you can get a link to one. Okay, click download link. page is not founded. Okay. uh, just working and earn money. Well, wait, by the way, mm, payout rates, you can see the United States to per 1000 view you can get $8. Wow. Ireland $60, $8, $7. Belgium, oh my god, high CPM, high CVC. Wow, nice. So literally awesome. And I go dashboard, and obviously views to America or all over to Europe country. Okay, you can get withdraw. I have available balance $1. You can see. Mm, withdraw button, and just uh, just need a views, and you can get lots of dollar and just $5 to withdraw money. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.